Welcome to the video, guys. So with this new now bar trick that you can do on any Samsung phone, so if I go to my lock screen on my Samsung phone, you can see the now bar here. I've got some notifications from Twitter. Okay, there's some more notifications from Twitter and everything like that, and there's some of the evening check-ins and stuff. So usually the apps like Twitter, WhatsApp and YouTube Studio and things like that would be unsupported apps within the now bar. So if I just unlock my phone, you'll also notice that they are there at the top left hand corner. You can swipe down and there you get the notifications right here, just like this. And let me show you exactly how you can do this. So I'm going to go out. You want to go to Google Chrome, then you want to type into the search bar Live Bridge, and you want to go to the second link here, the GitHub page. So click onto the GitHub page. You'll be brought right here. You just want to scroll down until you see it says get the link. Click on the link right here, or if you're running an older phone, you can click on get latest version. And if you have a modern Android now bar version for Samsung, recommended, and then you'll have downloaded the APK. Once you've downloaded the APK, it should go into your files. You'll see the file right over there. You can click on it, and then you can either, mine says update because I've already installed it, but you want to install this now. Before, to make it actually install, you have to turn off two settings. So go into your settings of your phone, and then you're looking for security and privacy. So click on security and privacy, scroll down and turn off this auto blocker right here. Then the next setting you want to turn off is go to the Play Store, then click on settings at the top right hand corner, go to Play Protect. You want to click on Play Protect, and you want to hit the settings gear cog and turn off Play Protect. You can turn it on once you have installed the now bar. Then you can go ahead and install the app successfully, and once you've done it, you can go and open up the Live Bridge application, and it will look like this. You do need to give two permissions, just the notification listener access and post notification permission. Give that access and then it will be working. Then you go to rules and you go here to bypass, and then you can turn on any one of the notifications that you want. It will list out all your apps right here. You choose which notifications you want. So for me, I want Discord, School and Telegram. And then you'll see, if you go ahead, lock the phone, open it up, you'll see the now bar notifications right here. Okay, as you can see, all the available now bar applications, and they do also work on the top left hand corner, so you can scroll down and see them all. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.